Both team guys, may chance ha. Ang bola sa Sagay. Jumper, open, short, rebound, box out. Kuha sa Sagay, fake, open shot. Too strong, rebound, box out, it's good. One a shot by Sagay City. Bang! 30. Wow. Nice game, nice game. Pangpang versus Hortensia. Hortensia ball, Toki Patmane. Crossover. Good ball, follow up. It's good, walang box out. Still na, wala na, goodbye na. Happy birthday to you. Last ball guys, no? No shot lock, no shot lock. Jumper left-handed, bang! Guys, hindi niya kaya sa 9K, dumiskarte. 9K. Inside, spin mo, feed away. It's good! One a shot by 9K, feed away. Last ball guys, no? Last ball, pick. Inside. Veteran smoke. Counted. Iba talagang veteran si Lenge. Last ball lang Kades. Discarte number 26. Back to number 26. May foul, no? Suki si number 23. Wala si Balasa, wala si Naingi. Suki sang number 23. Bang! Chansa guys ang Sunpub. Iguales 14. Tabunok Sunpub. Discarte. Discarte, no shot lock. Sa kanto. Wala lang dangerous pass. Up. Spin move. Inside. Body contact. Tisoy. Kick out pass. No. Follow up. It's good. Thank you guys no sa Tabunok. Daw guys ang Sunpub. Leo underneath black. Nice one, nice one. Clean black. Last ball guys ang pagita. Underneath, it's good. Gimbal guys, no? Gimbal. Mga kontra. Sobra! Last ball guys ang Tabunok, no? Kontra Sunpub, 3.4 ki ang Patmane. Ika-15 nga game. Subo nga adlaw. Inside, open. Wow! Collapse ang depensa. Second game guys, no? Kanipaan naman, kanipaan. Gahulat ang kanipaan. Thank you, thank you. Level guys, last ball Zone 4 guys, oh. Zone 4 versus Bangkiruhan. Last touch, bola harus Bangkiruhan balik. Inside. Open. Game ball guys, oh, game ball. Thank you sa Sunpur, Bangkiruhan. Man to man guys, defense, no? Last ball ang Cadiz. Balasa. Man to man defense. Balasa inside. Inside. Liap, it's good. If you wanna ride. No, patry si Balasa. And one. Salamat guys sa manapla guys, no? After the game guys, no? Miguhay lang yan yapon, no? Natural na yung mga pressure. Pang-apat nga opportunity sang Santa Cruz. Inside. May ball na. Last ball.
Bago na tayo yagin dala tao.
It's good. Game ball. Salamat Santa Cruz. score guys, 2-4. Ganda ng play sa pang last one. Hindi lang may foul. Pang last ball guys, no? Retro. Game ball guys, no? Tawag sila sa first game, tawag man sila sa second game. Salamat Santa Cruz, Thompson. Screen na lang isa. Short, it's good. Simple basketball lang ha. It's good, game ball. Thank you guys sa Stop Alegria, no? Pick. Open. It's good. Play ball guys, no? 11-4 ang score. Manapla guys, last ball. Simple lang ang depensa sa Sagay guys, no? Arriba, Aliop. It's good, no? Brothers to brothers ang play. Thank you guys, thank you. Gimbal guys, no? 30K. Thank you sa Manapla guys, thank you sa Sagay City. Salamat gid sa inyo pagkagtudi sa amon basketball sa Sanpam. Madamo gid salamat guys, no? Shout out na sa Manila, sa Bacolod, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao guys, no? Sa tanan nga pa shout out guys. Madamo gid salamat sa inyo pagsuporta. Mabuhay ang Sanpam. Kita nga nagabot subong guys, no? From Proper Cadiz. Team 9 no? Team Balasa. Giving na no kay Christmas na dugay-dugay. Game ball.
Game ball. Ball game.
Thank you so much. Last ball kontra last. Last ball guys ang taga. Inside. Good ball. Let's go. Thank you so much guys sa taga guys, no? Thank you so much Perde ang San Pablo. Sunwan guys, no? Loose ball ang this B1. Sit, baseline again. Try, fake. Sit up. Spin move. Wild shot. Rebound. Foul. Asto. This B1. May suntot sa likod. Open shot. It's good. Thank you, thank you. Thank you sa Disby1, thank you sa Sunwan guys, no? Beach party ka mo sa Sanpa Basketball. Madamo gid salamat. Fast break. Still. It's good. Game over. Game over. Wala na, may daga-depensa, game over. Second game guys, no? Thank you guys sa sunod. Discarte last ball. Still. Good ball. Bang shot. It's good. Gimbal guys, no? Gimbal. Thank you guys, oh, sa ano, no? Sa bisita ta. Wala, salamat. Iguales 14. Open shot sa baseline. It's good. What a shot. What a play. What a game.